Good afternoon, y'all. Today I'm going to give y'all interior lights demonstration of this Link MKZ. So let's go ahead and get started. The lighting appears in the footwells in the back, footwells. Got a sorry about that, guys. So to change your ambient lighting, go to settings, ambient lighting. You get these colors of choices: white, amber, turquoise, red, blue, green, lilac. The lights appear in the handles right here in the footwells. Gotta have the headlights turned on. I don't know if you can see it, but but that's there. Hope this video helps you guys out. Comment, like, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.